overwatered your green friend? Don't panic. We're here to offer an exhaustive guide to help you revive your wilting plant companion. The first and most crucial step is to stop watering the plant right away. The plant is already overwhelmed with water, so it needs some time to process and absorb the extra moisture it has received. It's like when you've had too much to drink, and you need some time to recuperate, right? If your plant's pot has drainage holes at the bottom, it's time to put them to use. Place the pot in a sink, or if the weather permits, outdoors, to allow the excess water to drain away. The water will slowly find its way out of the pot, leaving behind only what is needed by the plant. Just like when you have a waterlogged basement, the water needs a way to drain away. But what if there isn't any drainage? Well, you might want to consider moving your plant to a pot that provides this essential feature. After addressing the issue of excess water, the next step is to relocate the plant to a shady, cool spot. This action resembles putting the plant in a recovery room. The cooler temperature and lack of direct sunlight will prevent it from undergoing any further stress or damage from the overwatering. Think of it as the plant's ICU, where it's given the necessary conditions to recover and heal. In severe cases, where the plant shows no signs of recovery, even after these steps, repotting should be considered. When doing so, it's vital to use fresh, dry soil. Think of this as changing the plant's environment, just like how a change of scene often helps us feel rejuvenated. Handle your plant with extreme care, especially the roots, which are quite delicate, as they are the lifeline of your plant. Unfortunately, overwatering can lead to the roots turning brown and mushy, which is a clear sign of root rot. If you notice this, it's time to trim them back to the healthy parts. Remember, healthy roots are white and firm, like fresh garlic cloves. Probably the most challenging part of this whole process is the waiting period. It could take weeks, possibly even months for your plant to spring back to life. It's not an overnight process. After all, even humans take time to recover from sickness. Patience is key, but when it does bounce back, you'll be reassured that the wait was worthwhile. Another essential thing to remember is that when in doubt, less water is always better than more. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes new plant owners make. To avoid overwatering in the future, ensure that you assess the moisture level of the soil prior to watering. Conduct thorough research and modify your watering schedule accordingly. This is a simple yet effective way of ensuring that your green friends stay happy and healthy. So with these tips in mind, go ahead, enjoy your gardening. Think of it as a fun learning experience where you get to understand the needs of your plant friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more updates on plants. Enjoy your gardening.